Antarctica is the largest desert in the world. Africa is larger than China, the USA, India, Mexico, and a big part of Europe combined. With over 4 billion people and 30% of Earth's total land area, Asia is the Earth's largest and most populous continent. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, highest, and driest continent on Earth. The coldest place on Earth is a high ridge in Antarctica where temperatures can dip below near 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Africa is home to the world's largest living land animal, the African elephant, and the tallest, the giraffe. 90% of all the rice in the world is consumed in Asia. The highest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica is 67.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 90% of the world's fresh water is in Antarctica. Contrary to popular belief, there are no wild tigers in Africa, only in Asia. Some parts of Antarctica have had no rain or snow for the last 2 million years. Nepal is the birthplace of Buddhism. Antarctica is about 1.3 times as large as Europe. The deadliest animal in Africa is the hippopotamus. South Africa is called the Rainbow Nation because it has 11 official languages. Cockroaches are served fried in China, Thailand, and other Asian countries. Ice melting in Antarctica has caused a small shift in gravity in the region. South Africans can legally attach flamethrowers to cars to repel carjackers. You cannot work in the Australian Antarctic Station as a doctor unless your appendix is removed. Antarctica is the only continent without a time zone. Nearly half the gold ever mined has come from one place, Witwatersrand, South Africa. Firefighters in the UAE use jetpacks to tackle blazes in high-rise buildings. The ice sheet of Antarctica has been in existence for at least 40 million years. 300 lakes beneath Antarctica are kept from freezing by the warmth of Earth's core. The southernmost active volcano on Earth is in Antarctica. It spews crystals and is very close to the U.S. Research Center. Most of the world's fastest runners come from a single tribe in Kenya, Africa, called the Kalentians. Antarctica was once as warm as modern-day California. Lesotho, in Africa, is the only country on Earth to lie completely above 100 meters in elevation. A scientist in Antarctica got a date through Tinder with a girl camping just 45 minutes away. Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth except for Antarctica and a few remote or inhospitable islands. In 2010, the country of Ghana, in Africa, banned the sale of second-hand underwear. Most of Antarctica is covered in ice. Less than 1% is permanently ice-free. Australia claims to own the largest territory in Antarctica, 5.8 million square kilometers. There are 16 countries in Africa with higher vaccination rates than the US. Oceania is the smallest continent on the planet. The average thickness of ice in Antarctica is about 1 mile. The handprint of Nelson Mandela resembles the African continent. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. The Amazon River has the largest water volume of any river in the world. It has more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Spain has 2 major exclaves, Ceuta and Melilla. In mainland Africa, the Andes Mountains are the longest mountain range in the world. The African nation of Mozambique has an AK-47 assault rifle on its flag. The world's oldest sperm was discovered in Antarctica. 50 million year-old sperm cells from a worm. Almost a third of the world's languages are spoken only in Africa. There is a waterfall in Antarctica that runs red as blood. There are no polar bears in Antarctica, only in the Arctic. The smallest country in South America is called Suriname. It is about 50 times smaller than Brazil. Millions of tons of the world's electronic waste end up in Africa, where it is dumped in landfill, LS. 66% of the world's chocolate comes from Africa. Almost all of the 30 countries with the highest birth rates are in Africa. Almost 90% of the world's population lives in the Northern Hemisphere. Thanks for watching and keep supporting. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.